Okay guys, this is Mike. We are going to have a quick update about USD dominance and the global liquidity we have got as it's rising to the upside. I'm going to show you what I see actually on the USDT dominance chart I have got in here. We are on the monthly time frame, and as you can see, we have got multiple resistance for USD dominance about this area. The moving average on monthly time frame, the 51 is the yellow one and the 20 is the blue one we have got in here. Both of them are working as a really strong resistance at the moment, and the USD dominance is at the moment below these two. If we use the Fibonacci retracement from this top we have got to the bottom, actually the 61% and 702 is about this area. They are working as a resistance for USD dominance as well. And I have got on my chart actually this trend line, which is the red one in here. It's working as a resistance as well. It used to work as a resistance in the past, and now it's working as a resistance for USD dominance as well. At the moment we have got multiple resistance about this area, and I'm expecting to see a rejection to the downside from the USD dominance. If I go on the weekly time frame, as you can see, we have got bearish divergence on RSI on weekly time frame. It looks like it's going to be confirmed actually very soon. We have a red candle on weekly time frame for USDT dominance. It's closed, actually the candle closed last night. As you can see, we have got the lower high on the USD dominance, and we have got the higher high on weekly time frame. It's not daily or 4 hour. On weekly time frame for USDT dominance we have got, and I'm expecting a big rejection to the downside from the USD dominance. Before I switch the global liquidity and dollar index I have got in here, please take a second of your time guys and like the video and subscribe to our channel as well. We are on weekly time frame. I did share this one, I did publish this one on trading view when we broke below this trend line I have got in here. If I go on the daily time frame for dollar index, when we broke below this one, actually about this area, I did mention we are breaking the trend line to the downside. I'm expecting downside movement. As we had the news to the market, actually we had the pump to the upside. As you can see, the trend line back tested about this area, but we continue with the rejection to the downside for the USD dominance I have got in here. If we go on the weekly time frame and monthly time frame, I'm expecting continue to the downside for dollar index till we see and reach to about this area, which is the purple line I have got in here. This is going to be the very strong support for dollar index in my opinion. And if I switch to the global liquidity I have got in here from 2022 October, when the price of Bitcoin was about the $16,000 to $17,000, the very bottom for Bitcoin, as you can see, every time the global liquidity, which is the red line I have got in here, and the Bitcoin price is the white color I have got in here, every time after actually the global liquidity reached to the top, we see after that Bitcoin price follow to the upside. And it's not just one time, actually for every time when the global liquidity reached to the top, actually the money flowed to the Bitcoin and crypto market. As you can see, we had this one again in 2024 January and starting with 2024, and the last one was about this area when Bitcoin price was about a $50,000 or $60,000 range between these two areas, and consolidating for few months, maybe around the 6 months actually, when the global liquidity, the red line I have got in here, reached to the top. Actually after few weeks we see Bitcoin prices rising to the upside, and even the altcoins we have got. And now what happened at the moment, as you can see, the global liquidity, the red line I have got in here, actually was rising, and now it looks like we are going to see the top very soon for global liquidity. We just reached to about the previous high we have got in here, about $108 trillion. Maybe we are going to pass the previous high we have got to about $109 trillion. And I'm expecting actually in the next few weeks to see a pump from Bitcoin and altcoin markets, to be honest, to the upside, because every time the global liquidity reached to the top, after few weeks we see the price of Bitcoin rising to the upside. And the last time happened in 2024, about October, November. And now I'm expecting in the next few weeks, actually in March time, to see pump from Bitcoin, and after that the liquidity go to the altcoin market as well. That was all from me for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that one. See you guys in the next video.